Now there is another quantity which is related to dielectrics is the polarization vector. Now we have already studied in the previous videos that after polarization the dielectric has a net dipole moment because the positive and negative charge, they get separated from each other. They point in different directions, so there is a net dipole moment. So in this polarized state we can define polarization vector as the net dipole moment of the material of which the dielectric is made of the material per unit volume. So the polarization vector is defined as the per unit volume, and it is equal to the net dipole moment of the material per unit volume. This polarization vector is denoted by capital P, and this is equal to n into small p, where small p is a dipole moment, we have already done that, and n is equal to the number of molecules. So number of molecules per unit volume, if it is n, then polarization vector will be given as n into the dipole moment. The total polarization vector, suppose we have a total bound charge on the dielectric slab, suppose the charge density is equal to sigma, then total charge will be equal to sigma into the area of the dielectric slab. That means the total dipole moment due to bound charges will be equal to Q into D, where D is thickness of material. So this is the formula, total dipole moment equals to Q into D, and if we substitute the value of Q here, then the total dipole moment will be equal to sigma A D, or sigma into volume, because area into thickness will be equal to volume, and this will give us total dipole moment upon volume equals to sigma, or we can say the polarization vector is equal to the charge density, the induced charge density of the dielectric slab.